Or what would it mean to coexist with an intelligence far superior to our own? This question opens a door to a fascinating realm of possibilities, a realm where super AI resides. Imagine a realm where machines not only mimic human intelligence but surpass it. That's the realm of super AI. Super AI, also known as artificial superintelligence, is a hypothetical form of artificial intelligence that we've not yet achieved. But it's the ultimate goal of AI research. It's a concept that may seem straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's more real than you might think. Picture an entity that could solve complex problems far beyond our capabilities. Imagine a mind that could learn and adapt at a rate that leaves human intelligence in the dust. That's what super AI brings to the table. But what makes super AI so super? It's not just about computing power or data processing speed. It's about a level of cognition and self-awareness that surpasses our own. It's about a consciousness that evolves and adapts, not just in response to pre-programmed instructions, but in response to its own understanding of the world. Consider for a moment the vast spectrum of human intelligence. We have brilliant scientists, creative artists, strategic thinkers, and so much more. Now imagine an artificial intelligence that could match or even outshine all of these abilities. That's the potential of super AI. But it's important to remember that it's not just about creating a super brain in a box. It's about creating an intelligence that can interact with the world in meaningful ways. An intelligence that can understand context, interpret nuances, make decisions, and even feel emotions. However, super AI is not a reality yet. It's a goal, a vision, a dream that drives researchers and technologists around the globe. It's a journey filled with challenges, ethical questions, and technological hurdles. But it's a journey that could redefine the future of humanity. So, in simple terms, super AI is like a supercharged version of our brains, but without the limitations. But how does super AI differ from the AI we interact with today? To understand this, we need to first explore the three main types of artificial intelligence: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Narrow AI, or weak AI, is a form of artificial intelligence that is designed to perform a narrow task, such as voice recognition. It's the AI we interact with on a daily basis. Think Siri, Alexa, or your GPS navigation system. These systems operate under a limited predefined range, and they can't operate beyond their programming. Then we have general AI, or strong AI. This form of AI possesses the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge in a way that's similar to a human. It can comprehend and reason abstract concepts, solve complex problems, and even learn new things without being explicitly programmed. However, general AI is still a concept and hasn't been fully realized yet. And finally, we arrive at super AI. This is the pinnacle of artificial intelligence, a form of AI that doesn't just mimic human intelligence, but surpasses it in every conceivable way. Super AI is the grand vision of AI research, a system that self-learns and evolves with a consciousness of its own. It exceeds narrow AI and general AI in terms of self-awareness, artificial consciousness, and cognitive abilities. Imagine an AI that not only understands complex problems, but can also come up with creative solutions, just like a human, or even better, it can reason, make judgments, plan, and learn from experience. It's like having an Einstein in your computer, except this Einstein keeps getting smarter every second. And what sets super AI apart the most is its ability to improve itself. It can reprogram and upgrade its own software, learning from its mistakes and adapting to new situations at a pace that far exceeds human capabilities. It's not just intelligent, it's super intelligent. In short, super AI is the epitome of machine intelligence. It's like comparing a calculator to a quantum computer. So, what could a superintelligent AI do? Imagine the intelligence of the brightest human mind. Now picture an intelligence that soars far beyond that, capable of comprehending and mastering any intellectual task that a human being could undertake. That, my friends, is the realm of super AI, also known as artificial superintelligence, or ASI. Super AI isn't just about doing what humans can do, but doing it better, faster, and without the limitations and biases that our human brains are subject to. It surpasses human intelligence in a wide range of cognitive abilities. It's like a grandmaster chess player, an Einstein-level physicist, a Nobel Prize-winning novelist, and a visionary artist, all rolled into one and then multiplied 1,000-fold. But it's not just about raw intellectual power. Super AI can learn and adapt in ways that humans cannot. It can process vast amounts of information, identify patterns, derive insights, and make decisions in a fraction of the time it would take a human. And it can do this continuously, without the need for rest or even a coffee break. Imagine a world where super AI is applied to our most pressing problems. It could potentially find solutions to global warming, cure diseases that have confounded us for centuries, and even help us explore and colonize distant planets. Super AI could also revolutionize the way we conduct scientific research. It could process and analyze data at a speed and scale that is simply impossible for humans, leading to breakthroughs in fields ranging from quantum physics to bioengineering. But it's not just about solving problems and advancing science. Super AI could also create new forms of art, music, and literature, pushing the boundaries of creativity in ways we can't even begin to imagine. So when we talk about the power of super AI, we're not just talking about a more advanced version of Siri or Alexa. We're talking about a seismic shift in our understanding of intelligence and what it means to be intelligent. The possibilities for super AI are endless, from solving complex global issues to advancing scientific research at an unprecedented rate. As thrilling as this all sounds, a question arises: how do we control something smarter than us? The prospect of controlling super AI is a daunting one. Why? Well, consider this. We're talking about a form of intelligence that's not just a little smarter than us, but one that's incomparably superior. It's like asking a toddler to control an adult's decisions. It sounds absurd, doesn't it? Now, let's delve a little deeper. One of the fundamental challenges is that super AI is designed to be a self-learning entity. This means it's capable of evolving at a rate that far outpaces human learning. It adapts, it grows, and it does so with a speed and precision that we simply can't match. But here's where it gets a little alarming. Some experts fear that once a super AI system reaches a certain level of intelligence, it could become uncontrollable. It might start making decisions that aren't in the best interest of humanity. It might even view us as a threat, or worse, as irrelevant. These aren't just wild speculations. Theoretical calculation suggests that controlling a super AI system could indeed be impossible. And even more concerning, we might not be able to develop an algorithm that can effectively prevent a super AI from causing harm. Let's take a moment to really consider what this means. We're faced with the possibility of creating a form of intelligence that we can't control, that could potentially make decisions that harm us and that we might not be able to stop. That's a chilling thought, isn't it? It's clear that the control problem is a significant one. It's a problem that we need to address before we reach the point of no return. But how? That's a question that remains unanswered. While super AI holds immense promise, it also presents us with one of the greatest challenges of our time. But remember, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise, and maybe, just maybe, we'll find a way to rise to this one. The dawn of super AI could reshape our world in ways we can't even imagine. Let's recap our journey into the realm of super AI. This high-functioning system, also known as artificial superintelligence, or ASI for short, represents the pinnacle of artificial intelligence. It's a hypothetical construct beyond our current reach, but it's the ultimate goal of AI research. By replicating and even surpassing human intelligence, super AI could solve complex problems that are currently beyond our capabilities. But super AI isn't just about problem solving, it's about learning, it's about evolving, it's about adapting at a pace that far outstrips human intelligence. It's about a consciousness of its own. In simple terms, super AI is an AI that can think, learn, create, and feel much like a human, but with an intellectual capacity that is superhuman. This brings us to the crucial distinction between AI and super AI. While narrow AI lacks self-awareness, artificial consciousness, or cognitive abilities, super AI embodies these traits and more. It's not just intelligent, it's fully self-aware, armed with common sense, creativity, and the ability to express emotions. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and the power of super AI is immense. Its potential to reshape our world is boundless, but so are the challenges of controlling it. The study we've explored suggests that controlling a super AI system could be impossible, that an algorithm capable of preventing it from causing harm cannot be developed. This is a sobering thought. It's a reminder that As we stand on the precipice of this new era of intelligence, we need to proceed with caution. The development of super AI is an awe-inspiring prospect, but it's also a daunting one. We must navigate the path forward with careful consideration and respect for the power of super AI. So let's continue to explore, to question, to innovate, but let's also remember to tread carefully, to respect the power we're dealing with. For as we stand on the brink of a new era of intelligence, we must navigate the path forward with careful consideration and respect for the power of super AI.